Hi folks, well it's been a couple of weeks since we've had a meatball update and I just wanted to let you know I'm still making meatball recipes. Did a Sri Lankan meatball curry this week, so that will be coming up in our Travel Daily puzzle pages in the next few weeks. But I didn't realise what I had started with this meatball thing. So every time I look at Facebook, I keep finding meatball recipes, and in the last week Colin Fastnich did a meatball recipe on the 7 News. It's going crazy. Meatballs are everywhere. IKEA just released their Swedish meatball recipe this week. I mean, who'd have thought I would be such an influencer? Just call me the Meatball Queen. Anyway, thanks so much for all the recipes that you've been sending in. And thanks also, we've had a lot of our suppliers send in recipes, particularly the cruise lines. So once cruising goes back on, everybody's going to have to be trying the meatballs on board the different ships. So thanks to those. We'll be featuring them over the next few weeks, and we'll be particularly featuring them in our new e-magazine, Travel and Cruise Weekly, Keep Dreaming. Just an update on that. Travel and Cruise Weekly is our consumer e-newsletter that goes out once a week to travel agents and consumers. We have a quarterly magazine, e-magazine with Travel and Cruise Weekly, and now with everything that's going on, we've introduced a weekly. Travel and Cruise Weekly, Keep Dreaming. The idea of this is to have inspiring photos, stories, puzzles, things to keep people inspired to travel. And the idea of it is that you, the travel agents, will send it to your clients. It's a great excuse to touch base with you. So you can get the details on our website, travelandcruiseweekly.com.au. We've also got a marketing toolkit on Travel Daily in the Agent Zone under traveldaily.com.au Agent Zone, with tiles and social media things and all sorts of stuff. So keep dreaming, keep sending in your meatball recipes. I do have one question though. What is the backstory for Swedish meatballs? Because I've got so many recipes for Swedish meatballs. How did Sweden develop the meatball? If you know the answer to that, send it to me at meatballs@traveldaily.com.au. Have a good week, stay safe, stay strong, and keep dreaming.